So if you want to guys look at the market, top 3 hedge funds are up above. And today, I mean, overall, not the best. A great indicator. If you play yourself among the top hedge funds, today's not looking well. Some of the companies that I own do fluctuate with the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. Not all of them, but a good majority. So, if you want to just kind of remember how, I mean, it's not a horrible day for them. I honestly, for today, myself, we'll jump right into mine. Oh, that's all good now. So, big reason why I wanted to talk today was, first, these are almost a 1% drop from today. And the reason why I'm making this video is nothing to do with that kind of aspect. Like I said before, guys, you watch the video from last week about Tilray and how I mentioned how they're on January, I can't remember the date now, 15th, I believe, that they were going to, the IPO private holder has like 16 million shares. And they were going to either sell it, hold it, sell some of it, and hold the rest. But today they announced that they're not going to do anything. They're going to hold on to it. They see the long-term investment with Tilray. Shot this motherfucking stock to the sky. The highest was like, oh my god, 26%, something like that. And I made this call for $95, but still it hasn't rang. I was going to make a short gain play for myself, but, and look, it got canceled. Or did it actually go through? Canceled, see? So now I go back to my account, I got my 841. So, I mean, it was kind of bullshit. I kind of called this before the market. I placed an order for Tilray to go up. I would have made a decent amount of cash. But, I mean, Robinhood was fucking me over and not paying me right and not doing well. Overall, I'm pleased. An 18% for me. I'm still down 34 because that average price is on 144. But for myself, I was nervous to go back into Tilray, because the IPO aspect is really volatile, because you're making it, you have no facts of what this private IPO is going to do. Now they kind of admit that they're going to stay. They see the long term. Tilray wants to be diversified, working with Budweiser, working with a pharmaceutical company. They don't want to set a big investment, but they want partial ones so that they can control their company, not other companies. So that was huge. And I'm still thinking, I mean, Canopy went up a little bit today too, about almost 2%. Canopy was my favorite in the aspect of that, but with the IPO change for Tilray, and Canopy just being too stuck up with if they get stuck with alcoholic beverages, I mean, it could be a huge asset for them, but who knows? I still hope that Tilray, Canopy are going to be like the top 3 competitors, but like I said, this is uncertainty yet. And then, yeah, I mean, the last news that for my account personally, that I really paid attention to was the Activision. So if you guys are not familiar with Bungie, I mean, created Halo, made Destiny. Destiny's been having great results of this video game. And for the last 10 years, they've been working with Activision. So, yesterday, after the market closed, Bungie and Activision were like, all right, we're going to separate. We're cutting ties. We're going to go our way. You're going to go your way. So, as politely as they did it, it took the toll for the worst for the stock. I mean, it still has potential. I mean, we're still looking at February 12th for their earnings for quarter 4. That's going to involve a lot with the quarter of the holidays. So, I'm really banking on it to do well because, honestly, I like Activision. I like their games. But, I mean, if this stock goes back to the average cost of $52.78 and goes above that, I'm going to sell off, get what I could get, claim the dividend, see how it is. I like Activision Blizzard as a whole, but I just think that too many huge companies are starting to range into the video game aspect. Recently, Amazon kind of made a post saying that they want to get into the game streaming aspect. So I was like, oh my god, now Amazon? Fuck. And I'm not really trying. I'm trying to go into companies that are top dog. Like my Bowen right now. Bowen's doing well, but not today. But I'm trying to pick the companies that are on top of their fucking chain, top of the food for their chain, and they're going to be the ones making money. If they have a good dividend, that's a plus. But that's what I want to pick. That's why this Tilray and Canopy, I believe that these are going to be the 2 competitors. That being said, short clip. Happy Friday. I know the market overall. This is from this week. For Friday was not the best, but in the long aspect, it was a good week. Almost 5%. I'll take that after with this kind of uprising happening for ourselves. I will take it. I'm not gonna lie. I'll take it. And I like it now because I'm starting to get more money and more flexibility now to start doing the option trade, to kind of short trade Amazon. I fucking really enjoy doing it. I mean, they're doing bad with that Benzo divorce, but with that being dropped, I mean, that's a good way to buy back. I mean, easily, this company is going to go to the 2,000 marks. I don't give a fuck whoever said, oh, it's overpriced. It's overpriced. Look what the fuck Amazon is doing right now. Please tell me this is not like a company that's trying to just dominate out there. You dominate, you get the price of a dominator. Anyway, no stocks. Happy Friday. Enjoy this kind of gloomy day around Milwaukee area if you're by Milwaukee. But celebrate wise, celebrate good, and don't get caught. Deuces, guys.